Hello and welcome to a Friday show and tell. I was going through some old videos and ran across one where our son's toy was terrorizing the neighbor. And let me play that for you now.
Can you get off this?
And there's pictures for you to put the stickers on. Radiator Springs, the beach, the racetrack.
As you saw in the video, anytime we would operate this right control stick, it would open and close our neighbor's garage door. Now, I went and spoke to him later that day, and he asked if he could buy this remote control for the RC car because he had not had a remote opener for that garage door for many years. And so I was looking at it a little bit, and the garage door was from the 1980s, probably. It was older, and it likely operated at 27 megahertz, the same as this RC remote. Now, new garage door openers are paired and operate, I think, in the 300 megahertz range, like 300 to 390. And so to really solve this problem, instead of having him use this in his car, whether on the dash or hanging from the visor, I installed one of these add-on remote control units. This one's made by Chamberlain, but it uses a new remote and just wires into the push button switch that's inside the garage, and this too also acts as a push button. So that fixed his problem. To desensitize the garage door opener receiver that he had, I just clipped the antenna, and that reduced its ability to pick up these transmissions. If I was really close to it, I could still operate it via this remote, but from across the street, we were okay with that. So if you like this video, please press the thumbs up. If you want to see more content from the channel, please hit the subscribe. In fact, I have this remote because I am going to be using this in a future project. So we'll be seeing this one again. Thanks for joining, and hope to see you in another video.